Creating a DIY sensory board for your baby is a fun and rewarding project that can provide endless entertainment and developmental benefits. If you're looking for a creative way to engage your little one, here's how you can make your own sensory board at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy board as your base. Something like a wooden board or a large piece of cardboard works well. Next, collect a variety of textured items. Think about using different fabrics, buttons, zippers, and even small mirrors. The goal is to provide a range of tactile experiences. Once you have your materials, plan the layout of your sensory board. Arrange the items in a way that encourages exploration. You might want to group similar textures together or mix them up for a more varied experience. Use strong adhesive or a staple gun to securely attach each item to the board. Safety is key, so ensure all items are firmly attached and that there are no sharp edges or small parts that could pose a choking hazard. It's also a good idea to supervise your baby while they play with the sensory board. As your baby interacts with the board, they'll be developing their fine motor skills and sensory awareness. Encourage them to touch, pull, and explore each element. You can even add new items over time to keep the experience fresh and exciting. Remember, the best part of a DIY sensory board is that it's customizable. Tailor it to your baby's interests and developmental stage. With a little creativity and effort, you will have a wonderful tool that supports your baby's growth and learning. Creating a sensory board is not only a great way to bond with your baby, but also a fantastic opportunity to watch them discover the world around them. Enjoy the process and have fun.